Hello there! Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make a DIY flashcards for your homeschooling. Okay, flashcards is very important for teaching. So this is one of the main tools of teaching. Since I have a preschooler, so it's really important. We are still starting. So if you want to have a DIY flashcard, want to know how I did it without a printer and a laminating machine, then come on and let us make a flashcard. Making a flashcard. So, if bago ka lang sa channel ko, my name is Zari, and please don't forget to hit the button subscribe. So, what are the things that we need to make a flashcard? First, glue stick. So, glue stick instead of Elmer's glue, because for me, glue stick is very messy and nagmamadali ako. And next is this tape. Ganito kalaki, masking tape, and dapat clear. Okay. Next is a pen. Post-it card. So, since ang content natin is without printer and laminating set, so, yeah, you need to have a construction paper. So, if you want it colored, or just a cotton band there. So, it's okay. Next is a folder. This is from a folder. So, para matigas yung flashcards, guys, you need to have a folder. So, folder. So, here, i-cut lang natin siya, guys. So, yun. I think yun lang naman yung kailangan. And, of course, gunting. Gunting. Dapat kailangan may gunting. So, yan na yung mga needed natin, guys. So, first thing we need to do is we gonna write the letters dito sa post-it. And since yung gusto ng anak ko is pink, so, I wrote the letters in color pink. So, natapos ko na siya, guys. Tapos ko nang isulat yung mga flashcards from A to Z. So, all we need to do next is to stick it in the card. So, since tapos ko na yung A, this will be the finished product. Tapos ko na yung A, and yung B, where's B? B. So, letter B. So, since tapos na yung letter B, next is letter. What letter? What do you think? What do you think is next? What letter is this?
C.
C. Very good. So, we need to use letter C. Okay.
And we still
So,
have
there you go.
This one, blue.
So, first, i-stick niya na muna siya dyan. Stick it. So, use the glue stick.
Maybe it's a little bit too much.
Yeah, because it's really not messy.
Yeah, you're right.
And, ang disadvantage kasi ng glue stick, it's not, parang, hindi masyado siya
No.
dumidikit. But, it's okay because, ang purpose lang natin na lagyan siya ng glue is parang hindi siya syempre maglipad-lipad kasi lalagyan naman natin siya nitong tape. So, it is okay if it's not that hindi siya nag-stick ng ganun kabongga. So, actually me, I'm not really that good sa paggugunting.
So you need to do the scissor and you will cut your fingers.
I will not cut my fingers.
Are you sure?
Of course, because I will get hurt.
You will get a bandage. You will go to the doctor. You will get a bandage.
Yes, and it's very expensive.
And you so like that and slowly like this off.
Get it slowly. So,
Okay, he's coming.
ta-da!
Wow, it's so beautiful.
So there you go. Yan na. Easy. Easy lang yung flashcard. So,
That's my
the
favorite.
challenging part is the scotch tape. So, lagyan mo na siya ng scotch tape.
Tape.
So, you need to put it here.
Oh yeah, it's so beautiful. Yeah.
So beautiful. So,
You buy it?
I
Buy
bought it.
some bread. Buy some.
So, mas maganda guys if ipatong siya just like this. Patong.
Mama!
Sorry guys kasi isa lang yung ating
Mama!
Oh, very nice. Ipatong mo siya guys. And
Dad, you're getting some clothes. You're so close. You're so close.
Ayan, it's very sweet. Ayan. Then, ilock nyo na lang sa likod. Lock it. Lock. Lock it at the back. Lock it at the back. And do the same this part. This will help your board protected. So, for example, you have tracing. If you have tracing activity, if you have a whiteboard marker, you can actually write on there. And then you can just remove that one. You can erase that one. Get some eraser and ta-da! It's done.
Put my favorite.
That's why I wanted to buy a laminating set, but then I cannot afford it as of the moment, as well as having a printer. I think it takes so much time for Lazada to send it, and wala pa akong printer guys. So if anyone there wants to donate a printer for me, do not. And this whiteboard is naghihingalog na. My pencil pen is naghihingalog na. So there. So you continue this one in the bottom part.
Mama!
Oh no, it's very challenging.
Mama! Mama!
Yes.
Mama, look. Mama.
Hindi talaga maisiwasan na meron. So there you go, with the bottom part. And of course, not just sa front yung lagyan nyo guys so that it's protected. Kasi pag basa, diba, mas protected siya pag meron din sa side. Quiet na anak. This technique, I learned from my mother. So, shout out to my mother. Matagal na. Shout out to my mother for 30 years already.
Are you sure, Mommy?
Yes.
Mommy. Mommy.
So, this technique. So, if you're nag-online teaching ka at wala ka pang pambili ng props, so bili ka lang ng ganito. Lahat ng gusto mo. Kung marunong ka mag-drawing, drawing mo. Okay, so yan. Tapos na natin siya ibalo, guys. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga iba pang mga things na pwede nyo gawin with this technique. Okay, so we will be right back for the finished products. Okay, so watch out for that. So, huwag kang aalis, babalik ako. Okay, mag-subscribe ka muna at share mo tong video na to sa mga friends mo. Okay?